Good morning. Thank you for joining the the Trader channel. Again, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I do have a pretty good one today. I actually did a trade again for the second day in a row. The stock that I traded was DGXX. And the reason why I selected this particular stock is that they had news. Let me just point out, let me just pull it up. Let's see if we can find it real quick. Okay. All right. This is the stock, and they came out with the news this morning. Basically, the news indicated that they signed an agreement for a $1.1 billion data center, AI data center, a co-location deal, basically. So again, I thought that would be a great catalyst. What I did was at that point, and this again was about a little bit before 8 o'clock this morning, when I was following the stock. Looks like, all right, so I decided to take a look at the stock, and I was watching it at about 7:50, 55. And as you see, the stock ran up and then it pulled back. So I said to myself, okay, I'm going to wait for a positive movement on the stock. And then the second candle, I decided to jump in, which was at about 7:52. I set my target for at least 20 cents. And so I bought the stock at 6.56. Okay. And I thought it was going to, I was anticipating it for it to go back up in this area here. Okay. And it did quicker than I anticipated. So what I was able to do is I was able to turn around and sell it within a minute and a half for $6.83 for the share, which actually exceeded what I was trying to do. I was 25 cents as opposed to 20 cents. Again, my target was, as I said before, my target was 20 cents a share. So I got 25 cents a share, which worked out even better. So I guess the reason why, I know people ask why I am trading again only one share, and as I said before, what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to make sure that the concept is correct, my strategy is correct, and I don't want to try it with a lot of money. So my ultimate goal is to, for the next week and a half, is to trade one share and see if I can be profitable on those shares each time. Once that the concept has been verified, then I will increase it to 10 shares, 100 shares, 500 shares, etc. down the road, obviously investing more money. So that's my game plan. All right. I know yesterday it didn't work out as I anticipated. My game plan yesterday was to at least get 20 cents a share as well, but the price I was looking for was a little higher, was at $6. And it got up there, but it turned around and retraced quicker than I anticipated, so I was only able to take 8 cents a share, which again, as I indicated, that's better than nothing. So it does feel good to be able to hit my goal for the day, and so I will continue. Hopefully I'll find a trade tomorrow, but again, I just want you to realize that this is my real trading journey at 50. It's one trade at a time, one lesson at a time. So subscribe if you want to see any new videos that come out, typically Tuesdays and Fridays. Sometimes I'll have supplements that I'll put out, just information I think you could benefit from. And as I always say, I'm not talking about it, I'm actually being about it. Thanks.